Hello friends, welcome to Career Era. This is the fourth lecture of Gnuplot tutorial. Here I am opening my Gnuplot editor. This is my editor section. Uh, in the previous tutorial, we have discussed about how to plot simple graph between x and y and two different y-axis with the same x-axis. We have also learned about how to change the coordinate of titles, how to change the plot, how to change the font, color, thickness, etc. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to plot graphs if axis point are very big values like 10 to the power 3, 10 power 4, and 10 power 14, 18, 10 power 18, etc. So let's start. First of all, I have to set my directory or change my directory where I saved my data files. Since I have saved my data files on the desktop, so I have to choose desktop for directory. Okay. Here I am showing the data file. This is my data file and opening this. I'm opening. Here you can see the first column is show the x-axis and second column is represent the y-axis, and the in first column the value is 10 to the power 14, 10 power 15, 10 power 16, 10 power 17 and 10 power 18. It is written in the form of 1 e 14 to represent the 1 into 10 power 14. Okay. I hope you got it. So come back to the editor panel, and first of all I have to set the range of x-axis by clicking by commanding set x range space bracket 1 e 14 and column 1 e 18. Okay, because the x range is from 10 power 14 to 10 power 18, I have taken enter, and same again set y range. I have to take 18 to 26. Okay, close the bracket, enter. For giving label, I have to type set x label in inverted comma length, because I want to give the x label, the name of x label is length, enter. Same again for y label, suppose I want to give y axis, the name is height, so I have to write in inverted comma height. Okay, enter. uh, Here to write data in powers of 10, we have to give command set format x space in inverted comma 1 into 10 to the power 10 to the power in curly bracket percentage capital L. Here notice that I am writing percentage capital L, that represent the power of 10 values. Close the curly bracket and inverted comma. Okay, and one another command set log scale, because the value are very big. log scale x. Okay. Here we have to set the data style. uh, Suppose I want to give a line plus point. Okay, so I have to click on line plus point button, enter, and after this after this I have to give command. uh, Suppose I want to a line with point, so I have to click on the line with point here, and for plotting graph, we have to write plot file name in the inverted comma. So then I have to write a dot plt file name in inverted comma close, and suppose title I have to give title in inverted comma length versus height inverted comma close, and for color lt rgb. Suppose I want to give red color, so I have to write in the inverted comma is red and close the inverted comma. For line width, lw 5 scale I have taken. Now click enter. This is the graph of uh, the data file. You can see the graph on the screen. Look, the x-axis x-axis data are in the form of power of 10, 10 power 14, 10 power 15, 10 power 16, 10 power 17, and 10 power 18. And the label of the x-axis is length, and the label of y-axis is here height. And the title of this graph is length versus height. Sorry, this is mistake, length here, length versus height. And you can increase the font of label and ticks of the x-axis and y-axis by option. Here is the here option, font, and you can change bold and font size 18. So here you see the height of the font of the label and ticks are increases. This is not good, looks good, so I have to decrease the value of font size. Suppose I have to take 14 here. This is better. So you can see the on the screen, this is whole graph that I have plotted. So in the next class, we will learn something new in Gnuplot. So thank you so much.